IMCD was hard until I understood this 9 concepts. What if I told you that out of 60,000 students who appeared for IMCD 2024, only 14,000 got ranks? That's a mere 23% success rate. But here's the shocking part. Most failed students were actually smarter and more hardworking than those who cleared it. The difference? They didn't understand this 9 game changing concepts that I am about to share with you. I am Ashok Chetri, and after analyzing hundreds of ranker strategies, failure patterns from coaching institutes, and actual IMCD data, I have discovered why IMCD feels impossible until you crack these concepts. By the end of this video, you will have a completely different approach, one that's backed by data, not just theory. So, if you're serious about your merchant navy career, stay till the end because concept 9 alone can boost your score by 30 to 40 marks. Concept 1, the 80 to 20 formula. Let me start with the biggest misconception that destroys 80% of IMUCT aspirants. Most students think IMUCT is like JEE, complex, derivation heavy, and conceptually deep. That's completely wrong. 80% of IMST questions are direct formula applications. Let me prove this to you. In physics, which has 50 questions, you will find questions like a ball is dropped from 10-meter height, find velocity, add crop. Direct B square is equal to U square plus 2as. Current through a 5 ohm resistor with 10 voltage applied. Direct V is equal to IR. The standard is 11th 12th NCRT level, not advanced problem solving. Yet students waste months on complex derivations and advanced books. Action step, make a formula sheet for each chapter. If you can't solve a question in 30 seconds, use a direct formula. It's probably not an IMGT level questions. This shift in approach alone will save you 2 to 3 months of unnecessary preparation. Concept 2, the 45-second question strategy. Here is some maths that will shock you. IMCD has 200 questions in 180 minutes. That gives exactly 54 seconds per question. But successful students don't attempt all 200 questions. They attempt 150 to 160 questions with high accuracy. This reveals a critical strategy. Speed beats perfection in IMCD. Let me break down the time allocation that actually works. Physics, you have 50 questions, 40 minutes maximum. Maths 50 questions, 60 minutes maximum. English 40 questions, 20 minutes. Chemistry 20 questions, 20 minutes. GK and aptitude 40 questions, 30 minutes. Buffer time 10 minutes. Notice how I am allocating less time to more questions. That's because English and GK requires no calculation. Just recall that this time distribution comes from analyzing actual ranker strategies. Action step, practice this time allocation in every mock set. Set timers for each sections. If you are spending more than 1 minute on any question, move on immediately. Concept 3, the scientific calculator advantage. Here is a legal hack that most students don't know. IMST allows scientific calculators and you can store constants and even some formulas. Smart students pre-store values like pi is equal to 3.14159, g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, e is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Common conversion factors. This saves 15 to 30 seconds per calculation. In a time pressured exam, there's a difference between attempting 140 versus 160 questions. But here's the advanced strategy. Practice using your calculator's memory functions. You can store intermediate results and recall them instantly. For example, in physics, numerical problems store the value of velocity in first part and use it directly in second part. Action step, buy a good scientific calculator immediately. Spend 2 weeks mastering all its functions. This investment will pay off massively in the actual exam. Concept 4, the English GK goldmine. While most students panic about physics and maths, smart students are quietly banking easy marks in English and GK. These two sections combined give you 65 questions. That's 32.5% of the entire paper. Here is what makes this special. Zero calculation debt. It's pure knowledge based. A top ranker shared this strategy with me. I ensured I got 50 plus marks from English and GK before even touching physics. English section breakdown that actually work. Synonyms, antonyms 15 to 20 questions. Memorize 500 common words. Grammar 10 to 15 questions. Focus on tenses, prepositions. Reading comprehension 5 to 10 questions. Practice daily. GK strategy. Current affairs from last 6 months, the static GK. One newspaper daily, one GK app is sufficient. Action step, dedicate 45 minutes daily to English GK. Create flashcards for vocabulary. This section alone can give you a 20 to 30 rank boost. Concept 5. The physics pattern code. IMCD physics isn't random. It follows predictable patterns. After analyzing 5 years of memory-based questions, here is a secret code. High frequency topics, 60% of all questions. Mechanics, 15 to 20 questions. Laws of motion, work energy. Electricity, 10 to 15 questions. Current resistance, power. Optics, 5 to 8 questions. Ray optics, basics. Medium frequency, 30%. Thermodynamics, 5 to 8 questions. Waves, 3 to 5 questions. Low frequency, 10%. Modern physics, 2 to 3 questions. Atomic structure, 1 to 2 questions. This data tells you exactly where to invest your time. Instead of studying all chapters equally, spend 75% of your physics time on mechanics and electricity. Action step. Create a frequency-based study plan. Master high frequency topics first. Only touch low frequency topics after securing the major areas. Concept 6. The negative marking sweet spot. Here's a mathematical truth about negative marking that separates smart students from gamblers. With minus 0.25 marking, you need minimum 75% accuracy to benefit from attempting a question. Let me prove this with real numbers. If you attempt 160 questions with 75% accuracy, 120 correct, 40 wrong. Score 120 into 1 minus 40 into 0 to 0.25, which is equal to 110 knocks. If you attempt 200 questions with 60% accuracy, 120 correct, 80 wrong. Score 120 into 1 minus 80 into 0.25, which is equal to 100 marks. Notice same correct answers, but attempting more with lower accuracy actually reduces your score. Action step in mock tests, track your accuracy section wise. Only attempt questions where you are 75% competent. This discipline is what separates rank 500 from rank 5000. Concept 7. The mock test feedback loop. Here's the data that will change you view mock tests. Students who take 10 plus mock tests score 20 to 30 marks higher than those who take fewer. But it's not just about quantity, it's about the feedback loop. The magic happens in analysis, not in attempting. After every mock test, identify your time wasting questions spent greater than 2 minutes. Note topics with less than 70% of your accuracy. Track section wise speed versus accuracy. List silly mistakes and their patterns. One topper told me mock test revealed I was wasting 15 minutes on 5 tough physics questions. When I started skipping them, my overall score jumped by 25 marks. Action step, take one mock test weekly but spend 2 hours analyzing it. Create a weakness tracker and address one weakness every week. Concept 8. The NCRT only focus. This might shock you, but expensive coaching books are actually hurting your IMCD preparation. Here is why. IMCD syllabus is strictly 11th to 12th NCRT level. Every single question can be traced back to NCERT chapters. I analyzed toppers' strategies and found this pattern. They read NCERT 3 to 4 times rather than multiple books once. They solved NCERT exercises completely. They used additional books only for extra practice, not concepts. The problem with advanced books, they create overconfidence in tough topics while leaving gaps in basics. IMCD punishes this approach. Subject was NCERT strategy. Physics, master NCERT examples and exercises. Chemistry, NCERT plus basic numericals. Mathematics, NCERT plus RD Sharma for practice. Action step, if you are using coaching material, cross-check every concept with NCERT. If it's not in NCERT, it's probably not in IMCD. Concept 9. The revision multiplier effect. This is the most powerful concept that can boost your score by 30 to 40 marks. The science of spaced repetition. Research shows that 3 revisions of the same material gives 400% better retention than reading new material once. This is exactly what IMCD toppers do differently. Instead of constantly learning new things, they perfect what they already know. The 15-minute daily technique that changes everything. Day 1, study new chapter. Day 3, revise the same chapter 15 minutes. Day 7, revise again 10 minutes. Day 21, final revision 5 minutes. This spacing ensured this information moves from short-term to long-term memory. In IMCD's high-pressure environment, this automatic recall is what separates toppers from average scores. Real example, instead of reading 50 new physics formulas, master 20 formulas with this technique. You will solve more questions with 20 MOSFET formulas than 50 half-learned ones. Action step: start revision cycles for topics you studied 2 weeks ago. This week, revise old topics and study only 50% new content. Bonus insight and implementation. Before we conclude, let me give you three bonus insights that coaching institutes won't tell you. Insight 1: the 2-month rule. If you have less than 2 months, focus only on English, GK, and formula based questions from PCA. Don't try to complete the entire syllabus, it's mathematically impossible and strategically wrong. Insight 2: the morning strategy. Your brain's analytical power peaks in the first 2 hours after waking up. Use this time for physics and maths. Reserve evenings for English and GK. Insight 3: the elimination technique. In multiple choice questions, eliminating two wrong options and guessing between two gives you 50% success rate. This changes the risk reward calculation completely. These 9 concepts have helped thousands of students crack IMCD, but knowledge without action is useless. The students who implement even 5 of these concepts will see immediately improvement in their mock test reports. If this video helped you see IMCD differently, smash that like button and subscribe for more data-backed strategies. Share this with your IMCD friends. They will thank you later. In the comments, tell me which concept surprised you the most. I read every comment and often create follow-up videos based on your questions. For those serious about systematic preparation, check the description for our live IMHD batch, online and offline, where we dive deeper into each concept with practice numericals, mock tests, and personal guidance. Remember, the Merchant Navy is waiting for officers who think strategically, not just study harder. This 9 concepts will make you that strategic thinker. See you in the next video and best of luck for your preparation.